When you need pool equipment serviced, it's important to go to the right place. Javier Payan from Payan Pool is here as a warranty service center for the pool industry and just one of the best pool companies that's out there. Before we get into this, Javier, I'm going to embarrass you a little bit because I know you won't brag on yourself, but I'm going to brag on you a little bit. You have won a huge award as recognized as one of the top 50 service centers in the pool industry, correct?
Yeah, that's true. We're very proud of it. A lot of hard working men and women behind that.
So tell me a little bit about what this represents.
So this is put on by Pool Spa News, which is a national publication for the pool industry, and they put a committee together, and we submitted applications with a bunch of other people, and they went through it, and we actually ranked number 13 in the nation on that.
Wow, that is a huge honor, and reinforces what we already know, that you're the best of the best.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
So now we're getting into warranty work with pools, and you are a warranty service center for pretty much all the brands that are out there. What is it that drove you to want to be that warranty service center? What created that need, or that area for you to say you need to step into it?
So in the course of our business, we install pumps, filters, heaters, automation, lights, all that fun stuff. And there's a certain failure rate. So sometimes we put things in, and just because it's an imperfect world, things fail. So years back, we used to have to rely on the manufacturer to, we call their 800 number, get someone out on their schedule, and that just wasn't serving our customers the way we wanted to serve them. So we thought we would have better control if we would go through the process and become an authorized installer and warranty service center for all the brands we install. So when we do put things in and there's a failure, we can take care of things pretty much behind the scenes without, in a lot of cases, our customers even knowing that they had a problem.
So you were able to take care of problems when they arise, and they rarely arise when you're installing them, but that's not the case of other people, because people might try and save $1 or $2 by buying a product online and having somebody else install it. What happens there?
Yeah, so typically a lot of the pool equipment that's already kind of gone through their trials and errors, and stuff pretty much works and does what it's supposed to do. But when there's a misinstallation or a misapplication, people get frustrated with their products and they call in warranty. So sometimes we get called in by the manufacturers to go solve other people's problems, and a lot of times, unfortunately, we have to deny the warranty claim because it's not the product that failed, it's a misinstallation, improper installation, that type of stuff. So
it's a real risk for somebody to try and save a few dollars to hire an unlicensed or not warranty certified company to install those products.
Yeah, definitely, and again, it allows us to have better control, to better service our customer, have control of the schedule.
As you do with everything, great service with everything you do. Trust your pool equipment to the Warranty Service Center at Payan Pool Service. Learn more at ApprovedHomePros.com/Payan.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And when you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips covering topics in all areas of home improvement. So hit that subscribe button below for quick and easy access to everything you need to know about your home.